I heard my bedroom door open at 3:17 a.m. The problem was, I was already standing in the hallway. I'd gotten up for water. The house was completely dark. No lights, no noise, no movement. Then I heard my mattress creak behind me. Slow, heavy, deliberate. I turned around and stared into my bedroom. The door was wide open now. Something was sitting on my bed, not breathing, not moving, just waiting. My phone lit up in my hand from a notification. The screen reflected the doorway, and in the reflection, I saw a face on my pillow, smiling. But when I looked back with my eyes, the bed was empty. That's when my bedroom door slowly closed by itself from the inside. I ran to the light switch. The hallway lights flicked on, and I saw muddy footprints leading from my bed straight to where I was standing. My phone vibrated again. One new message from my own number. It said, "You left me alone in the dark."